Good morning, guys. It's been a little minute since my last day of my life vlog. My days just have been pretty weird, so I just haven't vlogged them. Like, they may be productive in the morning, and then like I just take like a 4-hour nap in the evening or stuff like that, as opposed to like a fully productive day. And that's really when I like to vlog. And today is honestly no different, but we'll see what happens. Right now I'm about to clean up my apartment because I left it messy last night, which is pretty rare for me, but that's vlog footage. So I was like, you know what, let's film a day in my life, but really like straighten up. And I might vacuum because I think it's time for me to vacuum. I vacuumed like probably a week ago, and I like to vacuum every week. And my neighbors just made a whole lot of noise, so I feel like they deserve me to vacuum my whole apartment. I know that's terrible, but literally like knocking, like he knocked like this little, like for like 10 minutes, and I'm just like, are you serious? Anyway, so now I'm about to vacuum my whole apartment just for that. So anyway, let me do these dishes. Like, wait, let me show you what it looks like in here. So these are clean dishes that I need to put up, and I just opened this up. And then up here, I hand washed my mask. This needs to be in the garbage. This, I threw away a plant because it literally was driving me insane. Dishes, just stuff on the counter, stuff over here. Needs to clean off this. It's not as bad as you might think the way that I'm describing it. Oh my God, it looks terrible. I can't stand this. And then over here, I opened some PR packages last night, and I need to put all this stuff back where it goes. So, and my tripod. So let's do this. Oh, and I also want some coffee. So let me do that. I think I'm gonna do my Memphis cup today. If you guys didn't know, I am from Memphis, born and raised here, live here still. I will get out of here one of these days. And it's time to FaceTime mom. So this pile of stuff right here, we actually don't have, hello, we actually don't have a recycle bin at my apartment complex. So I'm gonna take this stuff to my parents' house because they do have a recycle container at their house. Drop this off over there today because I actually realized I do have some errands to run today. Me thinking I ain't got no plans. I got plans. Okay, now I'm playing with makeup. I just got this amazing package from Danessa Merrick's, which is a legit legend. Okay, she has done so much in the beauty industry behind the scenes that like you don't know about, and she creates like these phenomenal looks. So she is just a legend, and I am so honored to have some of her products. I'm just opening a lot of the stuff, so once I get settled with this, I will go back to actually cleaning, but I'm about to play with this stuff a little bit, so hold on. Look at all of these. These are like kind of like cream eyeshadows, but you use them. Okay, I still look crazy, but finally clean. Oh wait, Alexa, stop. They got music playing. Finally clean. Well, the kitchen area and my dining room is clean. Now I need to kind of clean up my living room, but I'm trying to stop showing you guys my living room because I'm starting to add stuff to it, and of course I want to do a big reveal, so I'm just going to clean this off camera. And actually after that I realized that I don't do really any giveaways over here, so I'm going to fill up this box. I took all my address and stuff off of it. I like to recycle boxes that I get and use them for giveaways, so I'm going going to fill that up with some makeup that's in this messy closet right here. Yeah, let me clean up the living room first and then we'll get to that. I'm tired of having to turn my music off, but if I don't, then I'll get copyrighted. So let me just go in here where you guys can't hear it, but I still can. So I'm about to put a few things in this box. Trying to prop this up. I left my coffee. Hold on. This is all I've had today. I'm gonna eat like some yogurt or something after I do this. And then I need to thaw out my lunch. I bought some salmon yesterday and I'm gonna have that for lunch. I'm gonna actually cook all of it so that it's meal prepped for like 2 days, today and probably tomorrow. But yeah, let me just put some stuff in this box here. So this is the box, and if you're wondering what I was pulling from, I'm pulling from this. So I put stuff in here that I get in PR that I'm just not probably going to be able to get to because I get a lot of stuff. So I like to be a little bit cutthroat when it comes to stuff and give stuff to family, friends, and you guys. So in here I just put a bunch of stuff in here from many different brands. So it's like skincare, makeup products, all of that. We got some Laura Mercier, some ColourPop, some MAC, some Good Molecules, some Tula down here. Oh, and then this silk scarf from Aunt Jackie's. I have like 3 of those, so definitely needed to give one away. But yeah, all you guys have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, of course. Make sure that you follow me over on my Instagram page and comment below whatever you want and include either your email or your Instagram page so I can contact you if you win. Of course, it'll be one winner and it's US only because it's very expensive to ship overseas and I can't ship liquids. So it'll be US only this time and it'll run for 24 hours. And I'm gonna put some bubble wrap in here as well, some kind of way, just to make sure that it's safe. And it has Fragile on here too, so that'll help. So now that I got that thawing, I'm going to eat this and I'm gonna put a little bit of granola in it. This random granola I actually got in a PR package about like skincare, and I had never heard of this brand, but this is actually pretty good. It's a superfood granola and it has coconut, almond, and goji berry, or is that yogi berry? I don't know. I'm actually gonna measure it this time so I can get the nutrients on the back of this. What I really want is the fiber on the back of this, and it says you have to have a ½ cup for 5 grams of fiber. I'm gonna get my little measurement in my yogurt, and this will probably kind of fill me up like a late breakfast. Just finished my yogurt, literally cleaned it, and the yogurt pretty good by itself. I mean, it's kind of acquired if you've never had Greek yogurt. This expires in 2 days. Glad I'm eating it. But when I add that granola, it like turns it up. So, but you can add any granola to turn up some yogurt, but that one's actually really good. Still don't know what that brand is. I didn't even look it up really when they sent it. I just ate it, which is probably concerning. But anyway, so I just came up with my plan for the rest of the day. I be looking crazy for like half my vlogs. Thank you guys for watching them, even though I be looking crazy. So I'm about to get ready and wash my face, brush my teeth, all of that, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store because I need some tissue really and some garbage bags. Not the ones for my garbage can, but it's like some big ones when I'm putting all my recycles and stuff in it, or just whatever I need it for. And then I'm gonna drop off my recycles at my parents' house and possibly some other stuff, but those 2 things for sure I'm going to do. So I got this mount for my camera and I'm excited because now it's at a good angle. Let me finally do something to my hair. I forgot to also say that I did not finish vacuuming my apartment because my vacuum died. It was not fully charged, so I kind of knew that was gonna happen. So I'm finally doing my hair, which I could have been done this because I literally just have it in a puff right now. I need to wash my hair today, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So I'm about to put these shoes on. I just bought these and I think they are so cute. These are like, other than my Fila's, I think these are my only white tennis shoes, and these are Nike, what are they? Air Max. I don't know anything about tennis shoes. I got these from Academy. So I am dressed, got my shoes on, and I am so wrinkly, but it's okay. I need to get a mask. I'm definitely gonna do this one today, because today is the last day. Let's head out. I don't know why I just put it on. I'm literally still in my apartment. Okay, I'm at my parents' house, and I already put the recycle stuff up. So now let's go in here and harass them really quick. And then get on with our day. Well, they got a package.
Your daddy decided to take a nap. And you trying to wake up.
Okay, I'm finally at Walmart. It has taken me forever to get here. I left my phone at my parents' house and I was sitting in a drive-thru. So now I'm finally at Walmart. Half loaf of bread is like revolutionary if you're a single person. Loved it. Okay, so just made it back home and I was so hot. Like, it's a lot warmer than it's supposed to be at this point in time. So like, those sweatshirts literally only work for in the morning. By the end of the day, you can wear like a loose fitting jacket with like a tank top underneath, basically like a really thin jacket. But yeah, so now I'm gonna put away everything. Hopefully this vlog hasn't been like so nothing going on, but I actually kind of like how today's vlog went, because this is like my normal day, I would say. Today I didn't actually work out, so that would be the only thing that makes it not as normal. I worked out yesterday. Anyway, I'm gonna put up all of this mess that I just brought in, and then I'm gonna get started with cooking dinner, because my salmon should have thawed out enough at this point. I literally still have on my leggings and tennis shoes. That's how hot I was when I got here. I was like, take this off, and then I couldn't find a shirt, so I just put back on my robe. So that's what happened with that. Alexa, play Drake Radio on Pandora. So one thing that always kind of freaks me out is like getting deli meats from the store, because this says on here no artificial preservatives, no added hormones, no nitrates or nitrates added. I don't know what that last part is. The main thing is that it says no artificial preservatives, yet this doesn't expire until December of this year, and I got it like a month or two ago. In order to last that long, doesn't it have to have preservatives? I don't know, because I just bought another one, because literally I have like 2 slices left of this. The new one I bought today, and it is November 3rd, and this doesn't expire until January 20th, 2021. And I don't know if you guys do anything differently. I like to have sandwiches sometimes, like when I'm in a pinch. I don't know how healthy or whatever this meat is. If y'all have any alternatives, basically is what I'm asking for, what y'all make for like more healthier sandwiches. Please let me know down in the comments, because this seems strange to me for it to last that long. Or maybe that's normal. I don't know. If that's normal, also let me know that down in the comments too, like if it's supposed to last that long. Okay, you guys, I put everything away, and now I'm about to edit a video for some content that I'm doing for a brand. Just editing a portion of it and send it back to the brand, as well as I'm gonna answer a few emails and then decide what I'm gonna do after that, because I have 2 options of what I want to do. So while I'm doing this, I'll decide what actually is gonna happen. Right. Oh wait, I need to take my rings off, because we are about to cook dinner. So took my salmon out the oven. Probably looks a little crazy because I've already gotten at it. And my plate looks even crazier, but I made like some of that long broccoli looking stuff. So good. It tastes better than it looks, I promise. So I'm gonna put the rest of this salmon in a container. getting ready for bed. I'm gonna find something on Netflix. I don't actually know if this time is right. I haven't adjusted all my clocks for daylight savings time, so it could be 8 o'clock or it could be 9 o'clock. I don't know at this point, but I'm gonna find something to watch on Netflix or Disney Plus, because I kind of want to watch The Incredibles. That's like my favorite Disney movie, or just my favorite movie period. And yeah, I'm going to relax and call it a night. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys' support on all of my videos. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.